In Bangalore's Gattisiddanahalli, where construction is happening quickly, precise land assessments are more important than ever. The Gattisiddanahalli government land surveyors have the most recent equipment and the knowledge needed to do accurate land surveys. These surveyors are knowledgeable about the local rules and ordinances controlling land ownership and usage, so they can make sure that their surveys are consistent with the law. To meet the increasing need for precise land surveys, government land surveyors are also accessible in surrounding communities like Kamasandra in addition to Gattisiddanahalli. In order to accurately assess the property's borders while purchasing or selling real estate in Gattisiddanahalli or Kamasandra, it is crucial to work with a registered government land surveyor. In Kamasandra, land surveyors are renowned for their meticulousness and capacity to produce accurate survey reports. To ensure that their surveys are as accurate as possible, they use cutting-edge tools including total stations, GPS receivers, and drones. These surveyors can assist you in avoiding legal conflicts relating to land ownership because they have in-depth knowledge of the neighborhood laws and regulations. In conclusion, government land surveyors are essential to the efficient operation of real estate transactions in Gattisiddanahalli and Kamasandra. They offer precise surveys that assist buyers and sellers in making wise judgments regarding their real estate. Hire a government-licensed land surveyor if you intend to invest in real estate in these locations to avoid any potential legal issues. These experts can assist you in navigating the complex world of property ownership and guarantee the security of your investment, thanks to their knowledge and cutting-edge technologies. Consider hiring experts from Kamasandra if you're searching for the top land surveyors in Gattisiddanahalli, Bangalore. These professionals have years of expertise performing precise and trustworthy land surveys for a variety of objectives, including real estate development, building projects, and boundary disputes. Modern instruments and technology are available to the land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, enabling them to give you the most accurate readings and comprehensive reports. They gather precise information on the topography, features, and borders of your property using cutting-edge tools like GPS, total stations, and drones. The land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore are renowned for their technical proficiency as well as their professionalism, efficiency, and customer service. They collaborate closely with you to make sure that your needs are satisfied since they recognize the value of fast delivery and transparent communication. In conclusion, the professionals at Kamasandra are your best bet if you're looking for the top land surveyors in Gattisiddanahalli, Bangalore. You may achieve your goals with confidence and peace of mind with their assistance, thanks to their knowledge, technology, and focus on the needs of their clients. In Bangalore, a reputable business called SCON Design offers private land surveying services. We exclusively choose highly qualified and experienced specialists in our team since we recognize the importance of land surveying in any building project. To deliver precise and trustworthy results, our private land surveyors in Bangalore employ the most recent tools and technologies. We provide a variety of services as a private